I almost didn't make this video. I genuinely considered of just moving on, starting fresh, posting new content and pretending कि मैंने कभी 4 weeks का weight loss challenge शुरू किया ही नहीं था. But कुछ लोगों ने वो वीडियो देखा है, मैंने कैमरे में के measurements लिए हैं, मैंने कैमरे पे ये बोला है that the goal is to lose 1.5 to 2 kgs in coming 4 weeks. And that's when I thought that those people who watched that video, they deserve an honest update. So here it is. I said that I'm going all in for next 4 weeks, food, consistency, movement, and I did measurements in front of you guys. Go watch my video on the page if you haven't already watched it. I showed you all my week 1. Week 1 actually felt good and went very well. मुझे लगा था मैं इस बार तो अपना challenge complete कर पाऊंगी and that this time it's different. I'm very committed. But then it all fell apart. So here's what actually happened, and I want to be very specific and inform you guys everything in detail because I think a lot of you will be able to relate to this. My problem wasn't going to the gym or not going to the gym. I still kept going to the gym 4 to 5 times a week when everything else collapsed. The problem was my head. I hit a wall with my content creation journey. कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है किस डायरेक्शन में जाऊं, क्या पोस्ट करूं. I was trying so many different things from past 2 months. Nothing was working and I was so heartbroken and my head was all over the place. And when that happens, the last thing you have energy for is to carefully monitor what you're eating. मैं सारा दिन fitness के बारे में सोचती रहती थी. Eating fitness, doing fitness, talking about fitness, creating content about fitness. It is my entire career and at some point my brain just said enough. And after that, I literally didn't want to care about anything that I'm eating. I just wanted to eat whatever and do nothing about it. और जब ये सब चल रहा था, my monthly cycle hit. बहुत लोग इस चीज के बारे में बात नहीं करते, but I want to discuss about this. 1 week before my periods, I genuinely feel depressed. I'm not talking about being sad or being moody. I'm talking about pure, hardcore, dark depression. My motivation disappears, my willpower disappears, everything feels harder and heavier than it actually is. And it happened exactly in week 2 of this challenge. जब मैं अपने करियर को लेके, पूरी एग्जिस्टेंस को लेके क्वेश्चन कर रही थी, the timing was terrible and I gave in completely. And I'm being very honest about it because I really want you guys to understand कि जरूरी नहीं है कि अगर हम एक 4 weeks challenge कर रहे हैं, एक 6 weeks challenge कर रहे हैं, हमेशा उसकी ending positive ही होगी. बहुत बार ऐसे होता है. I think सक्सेस से ज्यादा फेलियर होता है वेयर यू हैव डेडलाइंस कि 3 महीने में मेरी बॉडी ऐसी दिखनी चाहिए, 6 महीने में मेरी बॉडी ऐसी दिखनी चाहिए, 1 साल में ऐसी दिखनी चाहिए, बिकॉज वी हैव सच हाई एक्सपेक्टेशंस फ्रॉम आवरसेल्व्स. बहुत बार वैसा नहीं होता है एंड दैट्स द रियलिटी एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई वांटेड टू टॉक एंड दैट्स द रीजन व्हाई आई मेड दिस वीडियो फॉर यू ऑल. द होल पॉइंट इज फॉर मी टू टेल यू कि when you fail in your deadlines, when you fail in your expectations how your body should change according to you, it is so easy to give up on fitness. But I don't want you to give up. Even though मेरे career में मैं बहुत ज़्यादा stuck feel कर रही थी, my hormones were all over the place, I couldn't control my diet at all. But one bare minimum thing I did, मैं gym जा रही थी 4 to 5 times a week. चाहे मैं बहुत ज़्यादा heavy workout नहीं कर पा रही थी because I wasn't into it, but I was still going, I was doing whatever I could and that is still a win. And guess what? अब मैं अपने 20-21 दिन के travel के बाद वापस आई हूँ. I did not gain a lot of weight. I think maybe half kg or even that was water weight. I don't know because इतनी movement थी मेरे travel में. We were just on the go. So now again I have one choice where I'm back from the travel और मेरा वो almost 1 महीने से मेरा fitness की पूरी routine टूट गई है. Either I follow that and I just go ahead with my life and not care about gym, not care about food and just keep going worse and worse day by day, or just try to get back to my routine again and try again and not give up. So here's the thing, and I'm starting again. This is what I've learned being a 36-year-old mom, जो शायद 25-year-old मैं कभी समझ ही नहीं पाती, that once you age, things actually become harder. It becomes harder to maintain fitness level. Improve करने की तो बात छोड़ दो. Just to maintain, it takes much more effort. Your recovery takes longer. Your hormones fight you. उन सब चीज़ों के साथ साथ you have to worry about food, water, protein intake. Plus, I have just recently started building my career, so it all is very exhausting. So before I go, here's what you can do. Follow me on Instagram, comment below saying followed, and keep an eye on my stories because what I'm planning to do is a 30-day mini reset challenge with my followers on Instagram in a private group chat where a person who is very consistent for 30 days will be the winner and will get products worth 10,000 rupees from a very famous supplement brand in India. So see you in my stories next. Thank you so much for watching this entire video. See you in the next one. Bye.